Is this write protected error driving you crazy? Wait, don't throw it away, it's not dead yet. I solved this problem using two methods, Command and the Windows Registry. Let's fix it. First, let's look at the problem. I'll plug in this flash drive. And I'm trying to cut a file from within Flash. As you can see, the cut and delete options are not available at all. I even want to drag this file and throw it in the recycle bin, but I can't. I'm trying to copy a file to it, but it won't work. Even when I try to format it, I get this annoying error. The disk is write protected. In this video, I show you two ways to solve this problem. But before we jump into the software side, there is one important thing you should check. Take a look at the body of your flash drive or SD card adapter. Some models have a tiny physical switch on the side. If it's set to lock, no software can bypass it. So let's move on to our first software method. Method 1. Using the command prompt. I put all these commands in the description for you to copy. First, search for CMD, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. This is very important. I repeat, I put all these commands in the caption so you can copy them. Now type diskpart and hit enter. Next, type list disk to see all the drives connected to your computer. Pay close attention here. Look at the size to find your USB drive. Type select disk followed by your drive number. For me, it's disk 1. Pay close attention here. We see that the flash drive we want, disk 1, is selected. Now, type this command to clear the write protection. Attributes disk clear read-only. Then hit enter. Once it says successful, type exit. Now you can try to copy your files again. Now let's test it out. When I right-click on a file, you can see that the cut and delete options are back and active. I'll try to delete this file, and there we go. It's gone. The write protection is definitely disabled. To be 100% sure, let's try to format the entire drive. I'll click Format, then Start. And as you can see, the format was successful. The USB is now fully functional and ready to use. If this first method worked for you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me create more tutorials like this. Method 2. First, let me show you the current state of this flash drive. When I try to delete a file from the drive, it fails. Even if I try to format the drive to start over, it still won't let me, and Windows immediately stops me with a write protected error. Now let's go through the steps to unlock it. Before we start, I've listed all these steps and the registry path in the description below so you can easily copy and follow along. First, press Windows +R, type Regedit, and hit enter to open the Registry Editor. Now navigate to this path. Chi Local Machine. System. Current control set. Control. Look for the Storage Device Policies folder. If you don't see it, don't worry, we'll create it together. Inside that folder, look for Write Protect. If it doesn't exist, we'll create it together. Double-click on Write Protect, make sure the value data is set to 0 and click OK. Here, I will delete the Storage Device Policies folder once to teach how to create it for those who didn't have this folder before. Let's go back to the Control folder. Right-click on Control, select New, then key and name it Storage Device Policies. Now right-click the empty space, select New, then DWORD 32-bit value, and name it Write Protect. Double-click on Write Protect. Make sure the value data is set to 0 and click OK. Please be careful, as registry changes are sensitive. Close the editor. Now restart your PC or reinsert the USB drive for the changes to take effect. Now let's test it out. When I right-click on a file, you can see that the Cut and Delete options are back and active. I'll try to delete this file. And there we go. It's gone. The write protection is definitely disabled. To be 100% sure, let's try to format the entire drive. I'll click Format, then Start. And as you can see, the format was successful. The drive is now fully functional and ready for use. Methods failed? It's a firmware lock. Watch my Chip Genius guide next. Subscribe for more pro tech fixes.